As you can see, I have a lot of drums amassed, but, well, this doesn't mean I get anything, right? I heard from guys and girls who made 100 pulls and didn't get the obvious must-have Guinevere, guinea pig, whatever you call her, and I would find Arthur quite good because of his defense down for ice, so the birds attack us. But I take any 5-star. I don't have any of these things yet. And I don't have Drake Form, but I think I don't want him at all. I like June better. Well, yes. Always nervous before these things, so let's get this thing started. Whoops. If I get her, I stop immediately, but let's see how many pulls I do. My rage level is not that horrible pull if it stays like that. I got all this is a bad pull. Boy, this is a really bad pull. You're shitting me, right? Can't be. 3 stars all over the place. These are seriously one of the worst I ever had. This is such a joke. I already got her 3 times. Yes, 4 lianas. One yet. Not even Merlin or Lancelot. Yes, King Arthur. Well, at least I got him. I already got her. Got him too. Don't need a second Merlin. So 5 stars I already got. This is so frustrating. that was.
Oh,
I got her. I got her. There she is. Hi. Yes. Perfect Friday. But it was expensive. And I swear to you, when I got her to Max, there will be a better take. When season 2 comes out, or maybe this A-Gear, if you didn't see that, I mean, he won't stays like this. He gets nerfed. This is clear, crystal clear. Sorry. But yes. Well, let's see. I try to stay under 15 minutes, so maybe if someone is interested in doing a separate video where I get into my heroes a bit more deep way, how I started, not that anybody cares, but whatever. So we got all the 4 stars, or seriously, I got every 4 star there is. I think event 4 stars. I don't get this Peters guy, and this other guy from Pirates, from the Pirates event. But everybody else, I think. Yeah, second Falcon, 3 Marlins, only got one next, and I got the same guy, but yeah, 4th Liana, keeper, maybe someday, some trading out. I don't keep duplicates, only from this will come, for example, I keep him if trade is allowed someday for a guy who desperately wants him. I gift him away. I can send him away. He doesn't with 2 Wukongs. I don't see why. Against the Falcon. Maybe someday I will go up a second one. Who knows? Lancelot, yeah. Have other priorities. Yeah, second Asla. Yes. Didn't have time to level Catalan. I already got her to the semi. I wanted her bad. For looks, first and foremost, but yeah, no, that's it. Safe. Safe. Screenshot this. Beloved ancient Egypt film. Oh, great.